Oh, guys, THC here, Happy Cultivator, and look what just arrived.
Came in.
Nice. All right, thank you, brother. Yeehaw! We'll open this in a minute, boys and girls. Yes, sir. What do you got there? Oh, this? Well, it's just another weapon here in the urban garden. You know, just another sponsor. What, sir? Another sponsor? Well, yeah. Flies on. Flies on? Yeah, Flies on. They got a beautiful new 1000-watt. Let me show you. Let's unbox this baby and see what's inside. Awesome, sir. I'd love to see what's inside. All right, buddy. Well, I got my key here. You know how I like to open them with keys so as not to damage what's inside. Good enough to break the tape. Of course, sir. That's why you're the general. You're so smart. Aw, thank you, buddy. All right, let's open this up. All right, well, here's the actual box now. So let's go ahead and open this one. As you can see, we got here the Flies-On Dimmable Quantum Board. Actual power is 100 watts. So let's open this baby up. Oh, sir, that looks like a pretty nice light. Yeah, it's the Flies-On Quantum Board. It's supposed to be an 1000-watt equivalent. It runs an actual power of 100. It's got a dimmable ballast. So let's take it out and show everybody what it actually looks like. As you can see, it's packaged quite nicely. This actually came with a hygrometer, which is pretty awesome. It came with the clips with some ratcheting straps. Very nice. Here is your US connection for the outlet. And now let's go ahead and take out this light. Here is the actual light. It's got the Samsung LEDs in it, and it has the dimmer switch right there on the front, and there is where your cord hooks up. So that is the basics of the Flies-On 1000 watt. And like I say, it comes with its cable, its hanging hooks, and a hygrometer, instruction manual, and warranty card. Well, sir, that's quite a nice light. Can't wait to see it run. Yeah, me too. It's going to be an awesome light. So thank you very much to Flies-On. And you can get yours on Amazon. With that, I say, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden, guys.